Here is a yogic method cleanse that is going to make you feel like $1,000,000. Hi, I am Christian Drupo. I'm a stem cell scientist and herbalist, and I help people live longer, better lives. This is a yogic method that essentially makes you drink glasses of water and make them circulate throughout your entire digestive system. And then within a matter of 30 minutes or so, then you start to eliminate them. So they essentially just sweep and cleanse your gut. So you start by using, so it's salted water. Warm is best because it's body temperature. It can cleanse the lining of the intestine better. So you put 9 grams, roughly about, let's say, about a tablespoon of salt in a liter of water. Prepare, I would say, close to a gallon of water, so 4 liters. And put that on the side, and then you're ready to start. So you will take about 8 ounces of that salted, warm water, and then you'll drink a glass. And you will drink a glass many times. And in between each of these glasses, you will do a series of exercise. And keep in mind, the salt that you have in that water, you do not absorb it. It's exactly why we put salt in that water, is that you don't absorb the water. It stays into your gut, and through these movements, you will pass that water within a matter of 30 to 60 minutes. So after you take the first glass of water, what you want to do is make this water leave the stomach. And to do this, you need to open the pyloric sphincter, the valve at the bottom of the stomach. And you do this very simply by lifting your arm really high, and then you stretch sideways. No rotation, you stretch sideways. You do this about 4 times, and it's when you go to your left, really, that if you pay attention, you will feel the sphincter opening and the water going into your gut. Now, what you need to do is push the water down through your intestine, and you do this by twisting your intestine. And you do this very simply by twisting your body. So you go like this, and very straightforward, straight up, and then you twist, and you put the emphasis on really twisting your core. Right and left, do this about 4 times each side. Now, to push again further the water along the intestine, you want to stretch your intestine. Intestine is made in a way that as it contracts and stretches, the matter is moving forward and is not really going backward. So you want to stretch, and that movement of stretching, you make the water move forward. So you go in the ground like this, and you basically look on the opposite side, and as you do this, you really stretch the side of your flank, and then you make the water move through your digestive tract. Last one is to push the water through your colon. So we need to understand we have the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and then after that down in the pelvic system. So you want to apply pressure on the 2 sides, starting with the left side. So you go down, and then you take your knee and you really pressure the side to pressure your colon. And as you go right, left, again 4 times on each side, and it creates some sort of a pumping, and then it starts the whole siphoning of your gut. And now the first glass is not going to come out yet. You simply need to wait. You take another glass of water, you do the same thing. Do this about 6 times, and after 6 glasses of water, normally the first one is going to come out, and you continue like this for 10, 12 glasses of water until what comes out is about as clean as what came in, and now you have a really clean digestive system.